In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your app icons clear on your iPad. The first thing we need to do is to press and hold anywhere on our home screen to make all of the apps jiggle. Now you want to select Edit in the top left hand corner, and in the drop down menu you want to select Customize. Now you want to go ahead and select which icon type you want to use. By default it's going to be on the default option, however you can choose the clear option. Now this will make all your app icons clear, and if you want to you can choose the dark mode, or you can choose the light mode version. Or if you want it to change automatically based on the appearance of your device, you can select Auto. As a bonus tip, you can also change the brightness of the background by clicking on the icon in the top left, and you can also change the app icon size by clicking on the icon in the top right of the context menu. So now we've done this, we want to tap on the home screen, and we've successfully made our app icons clear on our iPad. And that's it. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below.